Stop. Don't scroll another listing. Don't call your mom. And don't even look at Zillow until you do this very first step, because you're wasting time and you're definitely setting yourself up for a mess. It's your pre-approval. Skip it, and basically you're trying to sprint without tying your shoes. Let's clear this up. Pre-qualification. It's like saying, I might be able to afford a house someday. It's guesses. No proof, no pull. That's crazy. But a pre-approval, that's showing the seller, hey, I've done my homework. I'm ready. I'm serious. And the letter that you receive from the lender tells the seller you're the real deal. Offers without it, though, they're going to get tossed. When you apply, here's what the lenders are going to take a peek at. They're going to look at your credit score. For conventional, usually a 620 is what you're going for. But if you're going FHA or VA, you might be okay with a 580. Better score equals better rate, which equals more house for your money. Then they're going to look at your DTI, or your debt to income. You want to keep your monthly debt payments under 43% of what you bring in, right? The lower it is, the better you look to the lenders. Then they're going to look at your income and your work history. So they're going to want 2 years of job history. If you're self-employed like myself, you'll need tax returns and possibly a profit and loss statement. Then they'll look at your assets. They'll check your savings to make sure that you can handle the down payment, closing costs, and still be able to afford life after you buy that house. All right, so let's break down your options. I'm going to keep this as minimal as possible and just deliver the information. So conventional, you're going to want to have good credit, 3 to 20% down. And if you do put 20% down, you avoid PMI, which is your private mortgage insurance. The next one is FHA. Lower credit is okay, and you only need 3.5% down, and it's perfect for first-time home buyers. Then you have the VA. Hey, what's up, my fellow vets? There's no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, flexible credit, and thank you for your service. Let's use that benefit and maximize it. Then the last one is your USDA. This is rural areas only, but $0 down, and you might even qualify and not even realize that. So those are the options that you have. If you want to make it easier and you want your lender to move fast, you're going to want to have these things ready to go. You're going to want to have your pay stubs, 2 years of your W-2s or 1099s, 2 months of bank statements, your driver's license or your military ID, and notes on any big bank deposits or anything crazy that's going on with your bank accounts. And you can get bonus points if you come in knowing what you want your monthly payment to be, because that'll help us reverse engineer your price range. So don't stress about getting pre-approved, because it's not crazy. This isn't a pass or fail test. If the answer is not yet, that's still a win. You know, you're going to have a plan, maybe boost your credit or pay down a card. I've seen people that have gotten pre-approved 2 months after hearing that no. Lenders aren't all the same though. Some are fast, but some are strict. Some sound cheap online, but ghost you the moment you have a question. I connect clients with people who actually explain things, walk you through your options, and don't just treat you like a file. Bottom line, get the right lender, not just the fastest one, because that's not the important thing here for you. You want to understand the entire process from start to finish, as well as all the numbers that go into purchasing a home. So here's what we just knocked out, right? Now you know the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification. You know what lenders are going to be looking for. You know what docs to bring to them. You've got a grip on loan types, and you're ready to start this with confidence, hopefully. So next up, we're going to use that pre-approval letter to build you the perfect home search strategy. There's no guessing, no endless scrolling, and you're going to be ready to go. So if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your pre-approval questions. I try to answer every single one, and we'll see you next week for our next episode. Take care.